Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ZipRecruiter alerts for faster LinkedIn follow-ups. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate ZipRecruiter alerts for faster LinkedIn follow-ups, begin by visiting the Log into your ZipRecruiter account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Job Alerts section in the main menu. Click on the Manage Alerts option. Here, you will find a list of alerts you can create or modify. Select Create Job Alert to start a new alert. In the job search field, enter relevant keywords related to the positions you are interested in. Next, specify your desired locations for job opportunities. Adjust other filter settings according to your preferences, such as salary range and job type. After completing the fields, click the Save Alert button to activate it. Now that your alert is set, you will receive notifications via email. Check your inbox regularly for these alerts. When you receive a notification, click on the job link provided. This will redirect you to the ZipRecruiter listing where you can. Next, open LinkedIn and log in to your account. Use the LinkedIn search bar to find the company's page. Once on the company's page, look for the Employees section. Find professionals at the company who match the job role you are interested in. Send a personalized connection request to these individuals. In your request, mention your interest in the job and express a desire to connect. Once connected, follow up with a message thanking them for accepting your request. In your message, ask any relevant questions about the job or the company culture. This approach increases your chances of getting noticed by hiring managers. By activating ZipRecruiter alerts and leveraging LinkedIn, you enhance your job search strategy. Follow these steps regularly to stay ahead in your job application process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.